Welcome back. For the best sourcing experience, Global Sources Mobile Electronics is the go-to trade show. Source the latest innovative smartphones, tablets, wearables, mobile accessories, AR and VR devices, audio and charging products. Attend the Startup Launchpad, the premier sourcing platform for hardware and retail solution startups. The show runs from the 18th to the 21st of April here in the AsiaWorld-Expo in Hong Kong. My name's Adrian Dryden, and joining me is Joey, who represents Shenzhen Shenchuang High-Tech Electronics. Joey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
That's
Hello, Adrian.
Hi there.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me about yourself and maybe about your company too?
Yeah, well, this is Joey, by the way, and I'm glad to have this opportunity to introduce our product in front of the audience and on behalf of our company, SC High-Tech. Our company, SC High-Tech, is a phone accessory manufacturer for more than 10 years experience. It's located in Shenzhen and Bao'an district. You know, it's very near to the Bao'an airport. Yeah, only 5 minutes drive from the airport to our factory. So welcome to pay a visit, you know. And yeah, and besides that, we got 17 engineers to work in our research and design department. And so you know what that means, design and research, well, all the things we need in that field. And speaking of the production, we got 200 workers work with 2 shifts, night shift and day shift, you know, to finish the order as soon as possible. And so, you know, most of our, like 90% of our customers are satisfied with our delivery time.
That's perfect, okay.
Yeah.
A lot of good things.
Okay.
Anything else you would like to address about your company, or are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right, so let's move on to the products then. I can see over here on the shelf,
Yeah.
there's so many different types. Would you like to go into detail which one's your main product?
Well, as you could see in our booth, and our main product is USB cable, car charger, and wall charger.
All right.
Yes, and you know that's business. We keep researching and designing new product to our customer and keep them hiding in the market. And to accomplish that, we need to get all the certifications they need. Like for US market, we got FCC and UL. And for EU market, we got C and RoHS. And for Japan market, we got the PSE certificate. And you know, there's a lot of certifications. If you are wondering why I haven't mentioned the license you want, well, maybe you could come and visit to our booth 6P06, and I think our answer will satisfy you. That's all.
So you briefly introduced your products, but could you go into more depth with them? For example, this wall charger, correct?
Yes.
Could you tell me the features it has?
Well, good choice. You know, this one is this year is our new product, you know. And this powerful charger is a new private mode. And as you could see, there are 4 ports, PD ports with 3 USB cable ports. And it could replace by QC 3.0 and 3 normal ports, as you could see. Yes, and the total power gonna be 33 watts.
Okay.
Yes, and as you could see, there are 3 different styles. You see, well, maybe they can see it, but you could see it, right?
I can't see it. It's like different patterns right there.
Yeah, different pattern. And this one is the plain one, normal one. And this one, there are 3 of them. Have you seen that?
I do.
Yes. And pick one you like.
I gotta go with this one. That's a really cool pattern.
Okay, nice choice. Great choice, actually.
I like to think so.
Yes. And
Keep going.
okay, you know, for the EU and the US markets, we got different plug, and the EU plug and the US folding plug, right? And of course, that is our main product. So we have all the certifications we need. The US market, we got the UL certification. For the EU market, we got C and RoHS.
All right, just to clarify, because you showed us 3 of the same products, but they all look different. Does that mean that the buyers here who want to purchase this product can customize it?
Yes, of course.
Awesome. So you can put any colors, any logos you want onto it?
Yes, I will mention later, but we are manufacturers, so that is the advantage.
All right.
Yes.
So you mentioned 3 products earlier, and we just talked about the first one. Can you introduce the second one now?
Well, the second one I want to introduce is this one. Well, you see, that looks like a normal charger, but feel it.
It is very smooth, actually.
Yeah, it's smooth and soft. The only reason is we put the rubber coating outside of the shell. Yes. And as you could see, there are 4 colors, which means OEM and ODM is welcomed and it will be good. And for this mode, we all passed the UL certifications. You see, there's QC 3.0 ports, and there's a PD ports, and there is 2 ports and 3 ports. Well, they all could do the same. We could do it all. And I mentioned the OEM and ODM. You know what that means, right?
Of course.
Yeah, it means we could make the product totally as the customer's demand, like the color, the material, the package, even the shape. We could make it for you.
Awesome.
And you know the best part. Normally, the manufacturer only can accept 1 color, 2 color, or 3 colors logo. You know, we can do as many as I could. It's a new technique. It's called 3D printing. Well, if you are interested in colorful logo, please come and pay a visit. 6PO6.
All right, so to buyers, of course, customizability is very important.
Yes.
But so is accessibility. Can you tell me, do you have any chargers I can use in a car?
Well, before I introduce anything, I want to imagine that while you are driving in a car and someone calls in suddenly, like someone important, like your boss, your customer, or someone in your family.
Okay.
Well, but you are driving your car and your hands are tied. You can't divide it. Your mind, and it's dangerous. Well,
of course, you should never answer a phone like when you're driving.
Yeah, yes, and don't do that. For these circumstances, our company released a product could 100% meet the requirement. You see, this one.
Okay.
That is a car charger, and on the top of it is an earphone.
I honestly thought it was just one product. I didn't know you could just take it apart.
Really designed for you, right?
It's a pretty good design.
Yeah, and that is a Bluetooth earphone, and there are 2 ports. And while you are driving, you could, just put it in your ear, and you can answer your phone and listen to music, while the car charger could keep supporting and charging your phone. Isn't that convenient?
It's very convenient.
Yes, and besides that, we got that is not the only one private mode for our company. Our factory actually got multiple modes, but there is not enough time. So if you really want something like that or another private mode, please come and pay a visit to our booth, 6PO6. Am I a little annoying?
No, it's good. They definitely know where to come now.
Okay.
Because you mentioned earlier, you have both chargers and USB cables. Can you talk more about that?
Oh, cables. Yeah. You see, this kind of cables, and we got actually we got a USB cable shop floor. Focus on the cord, the shell, and the assemble. So we make the cable from the scratch to the whole product, so we can minimize the cost, and you could pay a visit. Yes,
awesome,
and
awesome.
Maybe customers could find all kinds of products in this show, but 3 amps and 5 amps for the cable is demand in our market. So if you are interested in it, please pay a visit. And by the way, at last, we are MFI licensed manufacturer. Please come and visit.
Okay, so we're running out of time here. So could you quickly say if I've missed anything to the buyers?
Well,
do you have anything else to say to the buyers before we wrap up?
Well, in the last, I want to say that why are you here in the show? Maybe you are looking for the new product, or you just found your former supplier can't support you good quality and stable quality product. If you want a good and stable quality product, please give us a chance and we won't let you down. We are waiting for you at the booth 6P06.
All right, well, that's well said. Again, my name is Adrian Dryden, joined by Bowie here at booth 6P06, Shenzhen Shenchuang High-Tech Electronics. Joey, it has been an honor.
It's my honor too.
All right,
okay.
So stay tuned for other products coming up.